we talk about safe sex only because we don't want to get pregnant. But there's something beyond that also.
Not just beyond that, before that I would say. Most easily available thing is a condom.
लड़की को लेके बोलते थे कि ये प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे चल रहा है और उसको इस तरह से नैरेटिव सेट किया जाता था कि प्रॉब्लम लाइज विद द वुमेन फर्टिलिटी. व्हाट अबाउट मेल फर्टिलिटी?
50% of infertile couples have male infertility and not female.
What exactly is vaginal health?
How does it self-clean? Just like how we have saliva, like that there are certain discharges or certain fluid that the vagina excretes.
How you define a healthy sexual health in a couple?
There is no hard and fast rule of how I would say what sexual health should entail.
Like in my case also, I get severe pain in the cramps and thighs and back and sometimes even fever, and some don't get it. So it is also absolutely normal, but what is the difference?
Anything that gives women pleasure is bad. So when I talk about sex toys, it's bad with women. When I talk about masturbation, it's bad for women. Anything when it comes to a woman's pleasure is bad. So just like that, woman is supposed to be uncomfortable. And that's why period pain is so common. But it's not normal.
Any woman, when it comes to their vaginal intimate health, they should stop doing it.
So two things that absolutely don't do. One is vaginal steaming and the other is waxing your pubic area. There was a strong belief that only people with multiple sexual partners get cervical cancer. So there was a taboo. That one cancer that can 100% be prevented by just 2 vaccines if you're under 15 years of age.
What are the physical and emotional changes a woman goes through after childbirth?
Not every IVF cycle succeeds. Her changes and get used to this whole new life that she is not responsible for. So that's why they always say you need an army to raise a child.
Does male also face the same challenges?
Nowadays they're like, we don't even smoke, we're just vaping. And then you tell them that vaping is even worse than smoking.
A baby born through IVF and naturally born, is there any difference between?
No, not at all.
We are all aware of the PCOS or PCOD condition, right? And that is one of the major factors that can make you or give you difficulties in pregnancies.
Extremely common these days. It is a lifestyle disorder.
Natural born baby in late 30s naturally and born to a woman in 30s but the eggs were taken in her early 20s. Which one will be better?
The one with the eggs taken in early 20s will have a slightly better genetic composition.